Hello friends, this week I am gearing up with one of my most fun toys, my DJI Mavic Pro drone. I took it out for a short spin in the desert last week, and that trip was prompted by some rumors that I heard about an update to the Mavic that might be coming out this spring. I haven't used my drone very much in the last few months, and frankly, I had forgotten how much fun it is. So this week I will be gearing up with it. It's perfect because it's faraway February, so I'm going to take it far away on an adventure. But first, before I go on that adventure, I'm going to take this out and play around with some of the fun, smart features, like how it can follow me. I really haven't done a whole lot with those features, I've done a little bit of playing around with them, but I think I might want to take advantage of some of them during my bigger adventure later this week. So that's it. I'm certain that I will be grabbing a DSLR or two for photos at some point this week, but I will be focusing on my drone. If you want to see some adventures right now, you can take a look at some of my adventures in the playlist up above. Some of them have some drone footage taken with the Mavic. And definitely check back later this week because I will have a brand new adventure coming. But enough about me. What will you be gearing up with this week? A camera? A drone? Something else? Let me know in the comments below.